Okay, so we're here. We're at Sunset right now. We just saw that G2BR go by and it's cold. But today we have CNW 6706, well, UP 6706, which is in CNW colors, last one on UP's roster. Looks like I gotta clean my lens there, get that done. But I'm heading over to the Geneva train station as it's gonna be getting dark out soon, but we should be seeing this guy. He's on CNHNP. That's about it. So we're in my car right now. Nothing's gone by since the last clip. It's been about 35 minutes or so. A metro went by and we have an outbound on the way. CNHNP, which has the CNW again, is probably around Glen Ellen or Wheaton, I'd say. I was gonna go to the other side, but there's also an eastbound. The signal, you can't see it from here, but the signal's red on the far main. So he's red, which means we have that guy coming as well. I have no clue what he is, but hopefully this guy comes. And it's snowing quite heavily outside, which can lead for some cool pictures. Let's see if you can focus it here. Probably not gonna work. No. Oh, there you go. You can kind of see it. It's snowing quite heavily out right now, so hoping it stops soon. But also look cool for some photos, so we'll see what happens. Here comes our metro. I'm a little lazy to get out of the car. It's pretty cold out. I'm honestly not trying to get out right now. Let's see, we have number 130. I actually needed this photo, so I'm gonna have to go out and get some photos of this unit. Awesome. Okay, so our, what's it called? CNHNP should be here relatively soon. Hoping the snow slows down a little bit. I don't like my camera getting wet, but we'll see what happens with that. This eastbound, whatever it is, should be here relatively soon as well. That. Wow. Okay, our headlight just popped around the corner there. That train just finished, so I'm just gonna wait it out here. Okay, there was the CNW unit, last one of UP's roster. Always cool to see that guy. I've seen him a couple times in the past couple years. But it looks like we have another eastbound lined up. I'm not sure if that's a Metro or if it's another eastbound. This one would be NPPR if it is. And he has an NS-9 second out, so we'll wait him out. But definitely a nice day for some photos, to say the least. Part of me says to go chase him, but we're just gonna stay put here. Okay, this guy just spawned in. Literally, I don't know if you see his EOT back there, but not too long after. Looks like a Z train. So he's ahead of the NPPR here. This is not a Z train. This is probably IG3AH. I think they changed the symbol on it, but I don't know what it is now. But that's what this guy is. Relatively short train, to say the least. Here comes the end of it right here. We're gonna call it a day here. I mean, I got what I wanted to see. This eastbound's coming, everything must be dark outside. Shooting in the dark's not that fun. So we're gonna head out. Not the worst day, to say the least, though. I mean, you got the CNW and a bunch of other freights, so can't really complain. See you guys next time.